Information about timber market in Benin. I can provide you with some general information about the timber market in Benin. Benin is known for its diverse forest resources, including a wide range of valuable timber species. The country's forestry sector contributes significantly to the national economy, providing employment opportunities for thousands of people and generating revenue through exports. The majority of timber production in Benin is carried out by small-scale farmers and local communities, who sell their products to larger timber companies. These companies process the timber into various products, such as sawn wood, veneer, plywood, and furniture, for both domestic consumption and export. The most commonly traded timber species in Benin include irako, sipo, dussy, teak, and mahogany. These species are in high demand in international markets, particularly in Europe and Asia. The government of Benin has put in place various policies and regulations to ensure sustainable forest management practices and to prevent illegal logging. These include the establishment of a National Forestry Development Agency, ANAF, which oversees the sector's activities, and the implementation of a timber certification scheme known as the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, certification. Overall, the timber market in Benin has great potential for growth and development, given the country's rich forest resources and increasing demand for sustainable and legal timber products in international markets.